Jobber gives every customer access to support through its help center, and users on supported plans can also contact the company directly through live chat, email, or phone, depending on their subscription and region. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest ways to reach Jobber support, which option works best for different problems, and what information to have ready before you contact them. If you need help immediately, start inside your Jobber account instead of searching the web. Open the help section from the app or dashboard. That takes you to Jobber's support resources and, if your account is eligible, the available contact options. For simple questions, the help center is usually the fastest place to start. You can search for articles about scheduling, invoicing, quoting, online booking, payments, client management, and account settings. Many common issues can be solved in a few minutes without waiting for a reply. If your issue involves your account, billing, or a feature that isn't working correctly, use the live chat option if it's available on your plan. Chat is usually the quickest way to speak with a support representative because they can view your account details while you're connected. For problems that need screenshots or longer explanations, email support is often the better choice. Include a clear description of the issue, the device you're using, and the exact steps that caused the problem. That gives the support team enough information to investigate without asking multiple follow-up questions. If your plan includes phone support, calling can be the fastest option for urgent issues that are preventing you from running your business. Before you call, have your account email, company name, and any error messages ready. That helps verify your account and speeds up troubleshooting. If you're contacting Jobber about payments, invoice processing, or account access, mention the specific invoice number, client name, or transaction involved. Specific details make it much easier for support to locate the correct information. If you can't sign in, use the password reset option before opening a support request. If that doesn't solve the problem, explain exactly what happens when you try to log in, instead of simply saying the account isn't working. To recap, start with the Help Center for common questions, use live chat for faster account assistance when available, and choose email or phone for more complex issues. Before contacting support, gather your account information and describe the problem step by step. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more software guides, and check out our other videos comparing business tools and explaining their features.